some people been asking me, considering all available cinewhoops in the market in 2026, is it still worth getting DeepSpace Stellar 25, which is 2.5 cinewhoop by DeepSpace? So if you are wondering, then this video is for you. Stellar 25 by DeepSpace been around already nearly more than a year from the release date, and it's the only cinewhoop which is available from DeepSpace. And some people have been asking me, should I get, I don't know, get Par C or some other, because there is big variety of drones available at current time, I mean, which is nearly mid of 2026, and I still have Stellar 25, because people was asking, yeah, but there is new ones, do you want to try the new ones, and so on, so on. Yes, there is new drones, but the video systems and everything is still the same. So, okay, I will put the specifications of the drone here now on the screen so you can see, because apparently a lot of people is asking, yeah, what is the specifications? I mean, specifications you can find online. I mean, it's not the whole thing about specifications. I could dedicate the whole video of explaining every single thing of the drone and so on, or I can just be flying around and show you how it actually flies, because specifications is one thing. Because if you see, let's say, oh, that drone, how it's flying, you want that what you see. You don't want exact F7 or H7 or 505 motors or whatsoever, because you don't know what that means. So anyway, this video is about Stellar 25, and we are back in a bando, and I will be just flying around. I've been already flying around a little bit with it, and I will tell you so that considering all available options now, I mean, I think that Stellar 25 is still a very nice option, especially if you are looking for cruising and sort of, I think for indoor flying it's a little bit too big. And as some of you know, I have Pavo 20, so that is smaller, that is 1.6, this is 2.5, and it's a very good option, by the way, even in 2026. I mean, if you are getting yourself in drones and FPV and so on, and you are looking for a cinewhoop, and Seeker 35 could be one of, Seeker 25 could be another good option, because exactly it's ducted props, and I've been flying with it already all this time. Okay, so for one bit I stopped because I was getting other drones and I wasn't flying these, but I crashed with it so many times, and the frame is amazing. It's holding up very nicely. It's molded plastic. I mean, okay, if I would want, I could actually break it. I mean, there is no things which you can't break, but it was originally coming with GPS, but as I was changing everything and I crashed it, I didn't put back GPS, so, because anyway I'm flying in close proximity in most cases with cinewhoop, because cinewhoop is not so much for freestyle or whatsoever. Yes, I know that there is a lot of cinewhoops with, you can actually do freestyle, but unfortunately Seeker 35 is not one of those. So if you are looking for a cinewhoop to do cruising and filming and cinematic, or close proximity indoors or around the people and so on, then very nice option, by the way. But if you are looking for cinewhoop with which you want to do freestyle, I mean, then this definitely would not be the cinewhoop you would be looking for, because I don't know what is exactly with this one, but freestyle with this one feels so heavy, because but as a drone, I mean, I still love it, I still flying with it. Okay, let's take it around and let's see how it handles. I mean, still in 2026, I mean, DeepSpace Stellar 25, amazing option if you are looking for cinewhoops. So let's get them in the air and let's see. Ooh. Stellar 25 by DeepSpace, still valid option for 2025, 26, but the only thing I will tell you is that it's loud. I mean, it's quite loud comparing to other drones. So, but will it draw attention? Probably, just because it's, you can hear it. I mean, if the fact that you can hear it, it's drawing attention, and you can't actually very nicely freestyle with it, then go get yourself one, or any other DeepSpace. I mean, I have a link down in the comments. So anyway, thank you for watching. Till the next video. Bye.